Hey guys, welcome to 8024 Spokane Drive. Here we have a nice large home with 5 bedrooms, 3 baths. Most importantly about this is 2 distinct living spaces and a wonderful large front and back outdoor living space as well. Now the downstairs is going to have already a space that's plumbed, electrified, and gassed for an ADU. But let's go ahead and check out the upstairs first. We're going to be entering through the back deck. It is 90 degrees outside. Thank goodness this place has nice cold AC. So, welcome to the great room. We're going to start off with the living room area of this great room. Nice gas fireplace. Wonderful views through these bay windows of the North Cascades. We're set high above the street as well. And so there's this really nice feeling of privacy, security, and simply views, not only of the North Cascades, but neighborhood territorial views as well. So matching the mahogany fireplace, we have mahogany cabinets in the kitchen. Granite slab, well-pointed suite of stainless steel appliances, including a gas range. We have gas here, gas fireplace, and we have gas outside on the upstairs deck, downstairs covered patio, and the potential ADU. Now the most important thing about this great room, actually the most important thing of that should be of any kitchen, is that it's central to everything. We've got seating all around us, not only here in the kitchen counter, next to it is the dining room that seamlessly flows into the upstairs portion of the multi-tier outdoor living area. Over here, right away, we have the beautiful, bright, airy living room. And then around the corner and down the hall, we'll have the first of 2 sleeping quarters. This is truly the heart of the home. Let's go check this out. So just like in the great room, we have vaulted ceilings here in the primary suite. From this window around this king-size bed, we have nice, expansive, but private views. You don't need to close your blinds ever because of how tall the mature evergreen vegetation is. You see every corner of your large backyard from the covered patio, upper deck, all the way to each corner. The ensuite 4-piece bath is well pointed as well. And then we also have a walk-in closet. Back out into the hallway. This is where I want to point out that we have, throughout this house, we have the mahogany dark stained craftsman trim, along with rolled corners in the drywall. Now, to the side of me, we have the hallway bath, and then we have 2 bedrooms, both very nicely sized and with the views of the Cascades. And again, this house is sitting so far up that it's very private in all these bedrooms. All right, now let's head downstairs. So now that we're in the lower level of the home, we immediately enter the rec room. The rec room is the hub of this space now. We have access to the outside. We have a bedroom with beautiful bay windows. We have understair storage, access to the garage over here, 2-car garage, and then another very large bedroom. Over here we have a full bath with laundry, and then an important part of this space is that this corner right here is plumbed, electrified, and gassed for a full kitchen. Now this doesn't have to be an ADU, even though come to our open house, we'll show you the inexpensive bids to turn this into a kitchen. But if you don't want another living space, if you don't need another full kitchen here, we can easily still convert this space into a really cool theater rec room with a wet bar here. So walking back past the full bath with laundry is the hallway that takes us to this incredibly large bedroom. This was the owner's office with what he used to call the mega desk. This is so large, we staged it with a gym, but just imagine a work from home / gym workout area. Over here, we have the garage, 2-car garage, and this is where your gas furnace and gas water heater lids. Over here we have even more storage. The understair storage, which is nice and clean, and we have access to the crawl space, which gives you even more clean storage. Okay. And then lastly, we have this spacious bedroom. It's perched high above the street, so it's nice and private. And then we have these bay windows that lets in so much nice light. Now heading back through the rec room, we're going to head out these sliders. All right, so back out onto the backyard area, we have this covered patio. And just like the upstairs deck, this downstairs covered patio has plumbing for gas. So you can do a fire table, fireplace, another barbecue, or even radiant heating down here. This is also a great time to mention that we have, in 2017, the owner had installed new windows, Ply-Gem high energy efficient windows. We also have newer paints on their cement fiberboard siding. And I cannot fail to mention that even though this is an 8,000 square foot lot, it feels like it's over 10,000 square feet. On every side, the front yard, we have a beautiful terrace. On the back, we have this expansive, entertaining area. But even on the two sides, we have large areas. On the south side, that's where the owners had gardened. And also included in the sale is this very nice and large Keter garden shed. We're also only 2 minutes away from Lions Park, which has great walking trails, a really nice playground, and basketball courts. Now 4 minutes away, we have Trader Joe's, a brewery, axe throwing, trampoline park, and the Everett Mall. So please come check out one of our many open houses. We'll be here Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.